was wondering, is it better to refuse a breathalyzer test if you're stopped, or what is the repercussion on it?
I wonder if you'll ask 10 attorneys that question, if you'll get 5 different answers on either side of this. That's a great question, Evelyn. You can't advise anyone to break the law, but
Right.
what is your thoughts on her question?
Well, that's pretty much the first question that most people, come to, and whether they've been stopped or have a case or they're just asking about it. Clearly, even though I do have a lot of police friends from my days at the DA's office, it's always beneficial to refuse blowing in any type of breathalyzer, whether it's on site or on scene, or at the jail with what we call the Drager. The reason why is obviously, you have a constitutional right not to give evidence against yourself. Yep. Anytime you do that, then what you're doing is creating a stronger case against you. So always better, no matter how much they beg or threaten, to just politely refuse giving any type of breath sample.
But what can they do if you refuse? Then they can lock you up for the night?
Well,
or?
The law provides that if you refuse a breath sample through a forensic science machine, there's 2 types of things that law enforcement use. You've got a side of the road called a portable breathalyzer test, or a PBT. That's not forensically sound. So they use that more for a probable cause type standard, but it's nothing that can be used in court as an evidentiary type standard. I see. When you are arrested and booked in, or prior to booking in, they do have a forensic device called a Drager. It is run or overseen by the Alabama Department of Forensic Sciences. And if you take that test, whatever that result is going to be evidence against you. Now, if you do a refusal, which usually I recommend to most people, then what you're looking at is a penalty for a first DUI of a license suspension up to 90 days. Okay. And then of course the penalties will get higher after that, such as 1 year, 3 years for a refusal.
We'll continue talking about that in a moment. But your advice, generally speaking, is
absolutely do not blow, do not give evidence against yourself. Maintain everything on the case on your side instead of giving evidence against the case against you.